Meaning of full marks.
Full marks.
Full marks.
Full marks.
Full marks. Full marks means getting a perfect score on a test or exam. This indicates that the test taker achieved the highest possible grade, earning credit for every question on the exam. Full marks are often considered a significant achievement and may reflect exceptional knowledge and skill in the subject area being tested. Achieving full marks is an indication of excellence and reflects a deep understanding of the material covered in the exam. It is a goal that many students strive for but few are able to accomplish.